Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete browsing history from the Venmo app to protect your privacy, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Note that Venmo does not have a traditional browsing history like a web browser, but it does store transaction history and search history. Step 3. To clear your transaction search history, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Step 4. View your recent searches and tap on the X icon next to each search term to remove it from the list. Step 5. To hide transactions from your feed, tap on the transaction you want to hide. Step 6. Tap the three-dot menu icon and select Change Privacy Setting. Step 7. Choose Private to hide the transaction from other Venmo users. Step 8. For additional privacy, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 9. Tap on the gear icon to access settings. Step 10. Select Privacy and adjust your default privacy settings to Private to keep all future transactions hidden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.